Hello everyone. Now I'm in the dark forest and it is raining. Okay, I'm using Wurkkos HD15R. I'll show you here. Okay, I'm running on one LED. Okay, the LH351D 5000K. Let me wear my headlamp. Now I'm wearing my headlamp. I want to try this headlamp, okay, in wet situation, okay, in the rain, and I think it is quite good. I can see everything clear. Okay, this is the high mode. Okay, very floody, but I can see things clear within let me check, about 20 meters, okay, away. Really good for walking around in the forest and trail running. Very good. Let me show you turbo. 1, 2 here. Okay, turbo is really bright. Wow, really floody and really bright. See that? I can see things here about 30 meters away. Now I'm walking with turbo mode. Okay, let's go back to high. Okay, high is enough. The headlamp will step down when the temperature reaches about 60 degrees Celsius. That's maybe within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, it depends on the temperature outside too. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here, dual LED. Okay, dual LED. Okay, I think it's quite good when you walk around in the forest and you want to detect the animal eyes or find something that reflect light. Okay, here, like this one, I use a ribbon. Okay, to tell me that okay, I'm on the right way. I call it a reflector. Okay, here, something like this. Okay, I can see it quite clear. When you walk with dual LED, okay, or use dual LED high mode for a while, it will step down. Okay, even it is in high mode, it will step down because two LED working together. It's quite hot. Okay, and the flashlight will step down to control the temperature. Okay, one LED high mode, no problem. It won't step down. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's quite wet and slippery. Let me show you just only red light. 1, 2, 3 here. Wow, this is red light. Okay, high mode. I'll show you turbo. 1, 2 here. Red light turbo. Okay. It's quite difficult to walk with the red light, and it's quite scary. Okay, let me go back to white light. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here's the white light high mode. Very good if you want a headlamp with good floodlight. HD15R is really good. It's raining now. Okay, this is turbo. Okay, I have to go further. I will test this headlamp more in this kind of environment, and maybe I'll give some comments, okay, in the video description. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.